Welcome! In this video, we will go over the process of grading assignments in eClass using both simple points and detailed rubrics. We will also demonstrate how to use administrative settings to grant extensions on assignments or allow more than one attempt. To begin, create an assignment or visit an existing one. Click on the assignment settings. Scroll down to Grade. It is here where you will select whether you'll be grading by points, rubric, or grading guide. When grading with points, you would enter the total value in points for the assignment. You can leave the grading method to simple direct grading. Alternatively, if you want to design a rubric or grading guide for this assignment, you can switch the grading method here. If you have categories set up in your gradebook, you can select the category for which this assignment should be organized. Now let's take a closer look at the grading interface itself. Click on the assignment you wish to grade in your course. On the assignment's main page, you will be able to see how many submissions have been made so far, as well as how many need grading. Click the Grade button to enter the grading interface. By default, the grading interface will display all students, even those who haven't submitted. You can use the filters to narrow down the search results, such as to display only those who require grading at this time. On the left, you will see the student's uploaded document. You have the ability to use markup tools to make comments or marks directly onto their paper. Key tools include adding comments, drawing, highlighting, or applying preset stamps like check marks or stars. On the right, you will see information about the student and their uploaded assignment, including a timestamp, whether they met the due date, a link to download their uploaded file, and any comments that they may have sent along with their submission. Scrolling below, you will be able to enter the total points earned, as well as any general comments or feedback you wish to provide. Feedback comments can be provided in text or in audio or video form. You also have the option to attach a file. If you've enabled students to have more than one attempt in the assignment settings, the option to allow another attempt will be found here. When you are finished, click Save. If the Notify Student box is checked, this will send a notification via email that the assignment has been graded. Now let's take a look at grading with points in action. Within the grading interface, you can view the student's writing assignment. You can also download the file to view it externally. Assess the student's writing and enter a score in the grade box. Add a quick feedback comment in the feedback comments box if applicable. When you're done, click Save Changes and eClass will record it in the gradebook instantly. Now let's take a look at grading with a rubric. When a rubric has been created for the assignment, you will see the grading criteria appear within the grading interface. If needed, you can expand the rubric. Within the rubric, select a score for each criterion. When you are done, click Save Changes. This will automatically generate the score and save it to the eClass gradebook. Now let's take a look at grading with a grading guide. When a grading guide has been created for an assignment, you will see the grading criteria appear within the grading interface. You can enter a score for each criterion. This can be in the form of a decimal point as well. To provide individualized feedback for each criterion, use the boxes provided. To add any general feedback comments, scroll down to the Feedback Comments box, or attach feedback files. When you're done, click Save Changes. If you want to see all of the submissions and grades at once, you can click View All Submissions from within the grading interface. This will provide you with a list of all students in your class with their submission status, a link to download their file, any grades that have been provided, and more. You can use the filters to narrow down the results on this page. When grading with points, you can enter numeric grades on this page for everyone by clicking Quick Grading. With each submission, you will be able to see their submitted file, the timestamp of submission, any comments the student left for you when they submitted, and any grade information that you may have already entered for them. If you want to jump back to the grading interface, you can click Grade here. There are additional submission controls as well. If you'd like to download all of the student's files to save on your computer, click the Actions menu and select Download All Submissions. Using the menu next to the student's submission status, you can individually select additional submission controls, including prevent submission changes, grant extensions, and allow additional attempts.